Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Husqvarna 329l versus the 525l. Watch until the end to know which string trimmer is better. So the main difference between the Husqvarna 329l and 525l is the incorporation of the standard double harness. The Husqvarna 329l string trimmer comes equipped with a standard double harness, designed to offer shoulder support whenever you use the landscaping tools. The shoulder straps are additionally made with some type of soft padding that helps reduce operator fatigue, consequently enabling them to work for extended hours. Straight shaft. Unless you have used a gas string trimmer before, you'll never really understand the essence of investing in a landscaping tool that has a straight shaft. The Husqvarna 329l, therefore, comes equipped with a straight shaft designed to facilitate extended reach. This type of trimmer comes in handy when working in hard-to-reach places, such as behind the trees, under decks, and around fences. The same does not, however, apply to the 525l. If you use the string trimmer more frequently, then you might want to consider getting the 525l for convenience when trimming. Efficient air filter. Equipment maintenance can be a headache for lawn owners. The reason why it's wise to invest in a less maintenance-intensive landscaping tool. The Husqvarna 525l is a less maintenance-intensive gas string trimmer because it has incorporated an efficient air filter that offers less cost when it comes to servicing and less engine wear and tear. The 329l does not offer the same performance, but you can be sure that it will give you longer service. Lawn owners who wish to invest in a durable gas string trimmer should settle with the 329l. X-Torque engine. The Husqvarna 525l comes equipped with an X-Torque engine, which has been designed to minimize harmful exhaust emissions by up to 60%, and which increases full efficiency by up to 20%, meaning that the gas string trimmer is not very expensive to operate. The 329l, on the other hand, has been equipped with a conventional engine, thus it is not very fuel efficient, and will probably produce harmful exhaust emissions. For this reason, the 525l is the better unit when compared to the 329, as it minimizes emissions that pollute the environment, and it's cheaper to operate. Adjustable handlebar. If you intend to work on your lawn for extended hours, then it would be wise to get a comfortable landscaping tool. The reason why the 329l comes with an adjustable handlebar that's additionally ergonomically designed for enhanced comfort. This feature elevates the 329l in terms of handlebar comfort when compared to the Husqvarna 525l. Equipment conversion. The 329l is a versatile landscaping tool, and some of its benefits are that you can use it with different types of tools to get different jobs done on your lawn. The unit is therefore equipped with a magnetic pin holder configured to facilitate quick conversion of the cutting equipment. The same does not apply to the Husqvarna 525l, and as such, lawn owners who wish to invest in a gas string trimmer that's easy to convert should choose the 329l model. Comfort handle. Apart from the adjustable handlebar incorporated in the 329l, lawn owners will also get to utilize the incorporated comfort handles. They're easy to adjust, designed with a soft grip for enhanced comfort. When compared to the handles incorporated on the 525l, the 329l enables lawn owners and landscapers to work for longer hours while experiencing minimal fatigue. Comparison table. From the table above, you can tell that the Husqvarna 329l offers a maximum power speed of 8,000 RPM, which is quite low when compared to the Husqvarna 525l. The 329l, however, is the better option, because with the low RPM, the engine will not overload. You'll also notice that the Husqvarna 525l will trim a huge space of 18.1 inches, while the 329l trims a slightly smaller space of 17 inches. Similarities. Both the Husqvarna 329l and 525l are equipped with the auto-return stop switch that facilitates easy starting. The two units also come incorporated with intuitive controls. For example, the choke and purge can be accessed with ease, and are also pretty easy to understand. Verdict. So which is better? The Husqvarna 329l is the better unit because it comes equipped with an adjustable handlebar. It has a comfort handle and features an easy cutting equipment conversion. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.